Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your name on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Changing your name on Snapchat is quick and easy to do once you know how. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. Open Snapchat and tap on your user icon in the top left corner. Then tap the Settings cog in the top right. In Settings, tap Name at the top. You can now change your first and last names and tap Save. Your Snapchat name has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.